What is up guys, Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this village and of this appellation of the Rhône valley in the south of France that makes some delicious white, rosé and red wines from blends of Grenache, Syrah and Mourvèdre, the typical Rhône blend. A village that has had a pretty high reputation for making consistently good wines, so much so that it went from being a Côte du Rhône village appellation to having its own AOC, its own appellation in 2016. So how do you go about pronouncing this name? Well, you have to say Cairanne. Cairanne. If you cannot pronounce the French R, just say Cairanne. Cairanne. Otherwise, Cairanne. Cairanne. If you want to learn more about Rhône wines and wine in general, well, you found the right channel. You'll find everything, including this video I'm linking to right here. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.